Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, I have to say this because really and truly things look away in Jamaica. You know, the year 2020 start off away. You see what I'm saying to you? And I'm saying this because of two things that's said to have happened on the 6th of January 2020. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, there's reports out there about an incident that had happened, you know. It is said that two persons had been shot and killed in execution style. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, the two persons that had been shot and killed in execution style said to be a couple that is in their 50s, right? Both persons are in their 50s. Now, viewers and subscribers, according to reports, is that this had happened at a home that is located somewhere in the Ricketts Crescent. Is what I'm saying to you. That is somewhere within the South St. Andrew Police Division, and this said to have happened close by to the state of emergency checkpoint that is on Chisholm Avenue and O'Mara Road. Is what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers. Now, according to reports, is that the two persons were found with their hands and feet tied, bound. You get what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers? Yeah? And viewers and subscribers, the act, according to persons out there, is said to be a gruesome act. You get what I'm saying to you? Alright? Yeah, and that is one of the points why I'm saying that Jamaica seems to have started off away to the year 2020. Now, viewers and subscribers, there's also reports out there that a son had chopped his father to death. Alright? And this said to have happened on the 6th of January 2020 at a place that is known as New Green, that is in the parish of Manchester, that is of the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, according to report, is that the person that is considered as the father was found in the driveway of his residence. Is what I'm saying to you, or where he lived. You see me? And the father was found in his driveway with multiple chop wounds, right? And laying in a pool of blood. Alright? It is also reported that the person had chop wound to the head and upper body. Alright? It is said that the son had fled the scene. Now, viewers and subscribers, if you could recall, like not long ago, another son had chopped his father to death in the same parish of Manchester. That's what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. Alright? But anyways, it is said that that son had been apprehended by police officers, you know what I mean? Are arrested, or in the police custody, I should say, is what I'm saying to you. However, this person, the other one, which said to be from New Green, is said to be on the run. Alright? Now, both of these incidents said to have happened sometime in the PM, viewers and subscribers. Alright? That is the 6th of January 2020, sometime within the night. Alright? Now, the father and son incident said to have happened sometime after 9 p.m. Alright? However, the other incident where it is said that the couples had been murdered in execution style, that incident said to have happened sometime in the night. I don't have the exact information as to when in the night that said to have happened. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm going to do this to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what going on in Jamaica or the world as well. So what I'm saying to you? Yeah, alright. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.